This is Ngoma 23 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Dobson Village Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 3, AS Simba 1. My brother, how's it?
Ngiyaphila unjani malu?
Ngiyaphila man. Ubayi igama lakho kuya?
Indephile igama lami.
Yeah.
Ngibuya la eSoweto man.
Okay, ufila kanjani game namhlanje?
Ngifila kakhulu ngoba nami ngikhusi since kule struggle since stike kuyo yabo. So iwin inkulu kakhulu ukuthi. Yeah, siyajabulela lokho.
Yini ocanga ukuthi yenze ukuthi nawe niwin namhlanje ngoba normally niya struggle ngama goals.
Yeah, masingathola nje ama goals because of the game most of the time sa dominate ngithola khot man. Yeah, so masingathola nje clinical strike esokhona ukuthi sikapitalize ama goals. Yabo ama game amabhali kumele sokuna first half so asinaso strike escorer.
Yeah. But at least ikatoro khona for.
Yeah, ikatoro nyambona na yabo yazama. These two games siyambona. Yazama.
Yeah. No, thank you so much. And everybody, man of the match.
Man of the match. I think Umtu.
Shabalala.
Yeah.
No, thanks.
Ngiyabonga malu.